This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Make sure your Google Thermostat fits your HVAC and you have a C-wire or adapter. Once you've installed the app and signed into Google, turn off power at the breaker to avoid shorts. Next, remove the old thermostat faceplate slowly, labeling each wire with the app's color-coded prompts so you know where they go. This prevents miswiring and saves reinstall time when you mount the new unit. Once wires are labeled, you insert each into the Google Thermostat terminals, making sure they're fully seated and screws are snug. A loose wire causes intermittent faults. Then attach the mounting plate, use a level, and anchor with the supplied screws to ensure stable contact with HVAC wires. After mounting the display, turn the breaker back on and follow the startup wizard. Make sure to connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network when prompted so the thermostat can register with the cloud. You finish by configuring device settings in Google Home. Give it a name, set room location, and create initial schedule so it begins learning. Once configured, run manual heat and cool tests to confirm the system cycles. You should see temperature changes within 5 to 10 minutes. If something fails, first recheck wiring and terminal tightness, then reboot the thermostat and router. Make sure Wi-Fi credentials are correct. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.